can go ahead.
I want to use this opportunity to thank the entire crew of the Foundation. The leader of that foundation, I want to use this opportunity to thank him. And the people that came to this school today to address our schools to deliver from these pages, I want to thank them so much. Especially Mr. Arnold, who led the team. You have been extremely wonderful. The entire crew, we have been wonderful. Because I don't want you to see myself so many times. I love you. You have been very, very inspiring. At least students now have role model to people. And the fact that some of the former students of this school, that should serve as an input for the students of this school to see role models that they can emulate. And I pray that God Almighty will be strengthening you so that you could do more, both for our community and for the other. Thank you. Thank you.